everyone, how's it going? My name's Tobias. Today we're playing Wild True Learn. Recording this back to back with the last episode. It's way too much fun. I hope you're enjoying it as much as I do. Let's see how our startup grows. So here we are, back in the game. Last time we decided not to do the level Cyber Initiative. Instead, we're going to work ourselves up. There's already the next startup possibility. We had the almost machine learning startup done. We are currently in a neural network startup. And there's already the next startup. I hope we can have multiples. Otherwise, because I don't want to sell this one yet. Let's check out dictatorship. Greetings. This is the only state internet provider of a small country. We have a rather suboptimal code to track people's activity. Unfortunately, we cannot allow to change the actual code, but we have several new server patches on a garage sale. Parallel the calculation. This will help our tyranny prosper. Alright, let's tyrannize this. These are Cat Hub repositories. They store previously made schemes and allow switching between them. When required, you can choose a version of the scheme which will be used as a custom node. Oh boy. Input stream 2. What's my job here? Oh, I can have 8 nodes, so I can easily go ahead. Just do 3. 7 and a trash can for each of these, right? So we're literally just parallelizing this to the fullest and pumping the red through. Oh, and I could have copy-pasted, I just realized. What's that? Use a custom. Okay, let's do a test run. Okay, and this still can barely hold up. But it works, so let's release it to the dictator. And we've gotten 1,400 bucks from our self-driving car startup. That's rad. And we are nearly breaking even with the investment of 4,000, so that's great. Sadly, the hype seems to have stopped. Alright, let's check out the next startup. Atari. G'day, we're inviting you to join our hackers startup. We write cheats and guides for different games, but now we would like to try making something really cool. We need a program that will play and win in arkanoid instead of the player. We know that you know a lot about machine learning, so we're inviting you to practice in our startup. Let's invest the 1,200. Okay, what do they want from us? Okay, let's think about this. How do we do this smartly? We could easily just do one of these. Not. Probably the easiest would be this. But that takes 2 seconds per. Which is workable. Let's do a test run. But it's not really optimal, is it? It's quite cheap and only 2 nodes, but 2 seconds per really doesn't sound too great. Let's hop into another version of this. We could, of course, do red or any, blue, any, and throw that away. The thing with that is only every second gets through, so on average, only every second red one actually goes up here, so on average it takes 0.6 per red. Yeah, so that's definitely faster. But look at how much data we are throwing away that we don't use. So I was thinking, let's do something like this, where we split the data. And then we really just take it on the chin that we're right now having to sort through this. And, oh wait, we can actually do this now. Up here we will find red and green. Down here we will find blue and green. So why not join them up like this? Let's do test run. Oh, that's looking pretty smooth already. Yeah, I'm liking this a lot. Could actually get it just the tiniest bit quicker if we were to say, put this here, put this here, and parallelize it, maybe just once, just so we don't overdo it. Okay. Oh, I didn't want to go here. Let's go out. It said something about us being able to put these in as nodes, but I don't know how. Oh, it's lighted up, so maybe it's somewhere here. Is that it? No. Then I have no idea how to do it. Anyways, let's do a test run here. With this system, we're actually starting to overload front end. Okay, I have a crazy idea that might just work, so I'm doing it. But first, let's do a quick copy, go to the third, and make... I'm just totally balls to the walls, splitting it 4 ways. 12 bucks a second, that's actually a lot, but look at the speed we are getting the red and green flowing in right now. I'm pretty sure that's the system I want to go with. Yeah, that's what we're going with. Let's stop the process and release this. Yes, deploy the code. Recognizing animal speech, what's that? Hey, oh, we can refresh. I've tried that expert system, it hardly makes any sense. Squares are floating from left to right? Is that what the fuss is all about? What? Why are we back here again? How the fuck did we end up back here? Anyways, let's do the next task. Using prediction of elections. Oh, that would be worrying. Good morning, we're contacting you on behalf of Yahoo's Corp. The president of our partner venture has been dismissed last month, and the board of directors is in the process of electing a new one. We need to be able to predict who will win the election so we could make a decision about the future of our partnership with that venture. Make it happen and you will get a handsome reward. Use Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V to paste. Click to hold and drag your mouse to select multiple nodes. Programming is easy, sometimes at least. That's what I've been doing all along. Oh. Oh, that would have been what I had to do. Alright. Oh, this is basically what I had to do earlier. This is just the system I built. Only I'm throwing away... Yes. It's just the system I built. So I could do... something like this. Where I put together the red output. That will get just red out the top. That will get it out here and a splitter up front. That's basically what I just built, so let's do a test run. Yep, that's exactly what we just built for our startup. That's awesome. And the startup is generating quite the income, compared to the investment at least. What's in the inbox? Cyber inactivity, yeah, that... Machine learning will help the animals. Okay, boomer. I said the funny! Automatic movie rater. Let's check the next... Are we... Yeah, we have enough for a startup. Let's do a tracking system. Dissident-friendly tracking system. Flourish and prosper, respected programmer. We represent our glorious democratic leader, Admiral General President Ali Baboon Petrov Boshi. In his infinite wisdom, he orders you to create a system that would process the recordings of kitchen talks of our beloved government critics, so it be sent to our country's famous recreational camps. We will pay you a share from each individual who joins our national healthcare program. One last detail, you must only use technologies developed in our country, as we despise your Western technologies and wish you all slow and painful death. Have a nice day. Let's join this startup. Oh, that's the real deal. Real big boy deal. Do we have it here? What do we have? We have Sift, which is the expert system, but for shapes. We have balancers, we have decision trees. Can we design our own circuits? Yes, we can. Okay, what I want is... Oh, I can actually change these numbers. Okay, let's try this out. I've never worked with this, so let's... I want it to sort out circles pretty quickly. So what I need in the most basic of terms is just 8 of these. Okay. These we could add some splitters up front. Like this. 2 behind that. And 1 behind that. That seems doable, right? Put them a bit more orderly. Just like that. I think that should do the trick. here. This here. This looks absolutely disgusting. Let's have this be the output stream. Okay. Hope I'm doing this correctly. I want to filter only for circles. Let's do a test run on this. And we're getting all the circles through, albeit semi-slowly. So with that being said, let's save this as big circle. Let's get out of here. DLLs. And we have access to big circle. And it costs $28 right from the beginning. Oof. Anyway, with that out of the way, we probably don't have to parallelize anymore because most of that stuff is already gone. Let's get red up here. Let's do it like that. This is actually more efficient than a standard decision system. So I think I dig it. And we probably can do a little hack here. Instead of, oh wait, don't mind. The trash can's in here and this one count together. Let's do a test run. Yeah, the nodes inside are getting pretty messed up, but that's alright. And we're hitting 100% accuracy, so actually not too much to worry about. It works. So I say we release this to the public. Wow. What a system. Let's do the automatic movie rater. This message is from the Oscar committee. We want to replace some of our experts with a neural network. Please design a system that could rate movies. Thanks. Okay, red can go either way. The most simple solution is green up, blue down, red goes either. But that's most likely too slow because we need to put it through a lot of items, right? Do test run. The idea works. It's too slow though. We could do this a few more times. Like completely the same. Just this is becoming my new trick. Something doesn't work, throw more processing power at it until it works. And split it up, and that's what I'm talking about. What? Oh, I'm using 7. That's too much. Get rid of these. And this, I suppose. I hope that works better. Okay, most are red actually, so we could probably put one before that. Get red right through and Emmy. Let's do that. Oh, that's way too slow. That's way too slow. Definitely need the splitter up front. But maybe we should put reds here. Do that. See how that goes. Okay, and down here we're putting red as well. And the off color, which isn't here, we just trash. Like that. We're throwing away a few we would actually need, but yeah, that's just bronze. What the hell did I press? Okay, let's just go back where we were before. Just like that. That gave us bronze. That's good enough. Maybe we can check it out again. Silver. Maybe we can check it out again once we're... What is happening? Happening. Oh. Yeah. That's the system I was going for. Yeah. That's better. Maybe we can check it out once we got some better hardware. Let's accept. And... You're still not be... Wow. Why did we lose so much money? Patch. Can I see like a report on this startup? Check it out. Let's patch it up. That's definitely too much. Let's cull it by half. Like that. Boop, boop. That should do the trick. That lowered it to 12 from 18. That's okay. Test run if it still works. Still has basically the same hiccups, but it works. So save. Go back one layer. The test run here. Way slower than before. For obvious reasons, but yeah, it works with 100% accuracy still. So patch, launch, and hope we don't lose as much money next day. Okay, let's get back to the tree. Heritage protection. And oh my god, it's getting so high. Wow. Heritage protection. Good morning. We have a dozen of scientific equipment placed in protected areas for the sake of looking after the objects of national heritage. Parsing info from our equipment on a daily basis and need to sort it depending on the color of the report. Okay. Oh, that's just sorting by color, nothing else. But there's no bronze option. Only do it right or don't do it at all. I like the sentiment. All three colors are basically the same here, so we could say putting red up here. Annie down here. No, we need 100% accuracy. Blue down here. Wait, how would this work? If we get red up there, blue down here. What is that actually? That's like 15 up here, 15 down there. The red and the... Okay, that line is only red-green. That is blue-green, so we can do this. This, sort them out like that. Do test run. Yes, baby. And gold. Way less loss. But still not satisfying. Let's get down here again and cull this whole system again. And patch it up. I thought I was doing a great job, but apparently not. We've got new hardware. Decrease the server cost by 3%. Yes. Increase the socket processing queue by 5. Yes. Nodes workbeat. Yes. A DLL slot. Yes. Server cost. Yes. Why did we just unlock all of this? TP Ging router. Data transfer speed. Yes. Nodes work speed. Yes. Nodes work speed and data speed. Yes. Socket processing. Yes. HDD. Yes. Wow. What did we just upgrade our office to? All our nodes are now beasts. Oh. Okay. Get back to the next task. Predicting the sales. Or do we have enough to invest in Gammon? We do. Hey, it's Jeff. I own a small online bookstore. I need your help in choosing a logistics company depending on the client's region and type of the book. I would love to automate the process with the help of a special program. I offer you a share of sales made with the help of your system. Please note that the entire data needs to be processed. Oh fuck, what did I... Oh, what did I do? Okay, we need blue. Let's design one system that actually does this. Then we will check. Yikes. Where the fuck am I? Okay, back in the game. I've totally tapped out. Okay, I found it again. I could write a DLL that does this for starters. Red man, green man, blue. Red, green, green. Start with that. Red man, green man, blue. Red, green, green. That. Yes. Ah, I forgot to save. Okay, let's rename it to Gammon. Save this. DLL saved as Gammon. Nothing in there yet. That's okay. What sort of... I overwrote the first DLL. That's not good. Oh fuck. Oh shit. I'm an idiot. What was I doing? Let's just do the second one instead. Oh shit, I quickly have to redo this. Big circle. Down there is where I changed these. I totally forgot. Let's go to the DLLs. Big circle, get that in. And patch that quickly before anything else happens. Let's get back to working on Gammon. Added the DLLs, and the first one will now be my Gammon. Woohoo! So, right off the bat, what data do I even get? All of it. Great. Right off the bat, I would say all blue data should go through indiscriminate. Like the first thing that comes to mind. We even have a perceptron for the shape for the rest. If it's a circle, any other color, we should probably do red. And then, don't use an expert system. Somewhere here, filter out green. So these two mingle. We have red and green coming into the perceptron. Right? Yes. And if it's a circle, I want it up here. I need to split it then. If it's a circle, I want it up here. That's gonna be an expensive process. If it's a square, I want it up there as well. If it's a triangle, I want it down here. But if it's actually a square, I want to decide, because if it's green, I'd like it to go down here. Sorry. So if it's red, I want it up here. And if it's any color, I want it... No, wrong again. I want green to go up. Any to go up and green to go down. So we get some greens, but also some greens up here, making just this a bit more efficient. Does this even work? What the fuck am I building? Oh yeah, I'm not doing a color check up there. Okay, if it's a square and green, I want it to go down. If it's a square and green or red, I want it to do this. If it is a circle and red, it should go here. If it's a circle and green, it should go here. Right? Oh, why am I so adamant about using a splitter? It doesn't even make sense. It has to differentiate the color, not just put it wherever. Let's do another test run for the accuracy. Okay. Looking good. Why are we not getting any green squares going down? Oh, okay, we got some. And we are hitting borderline awesome levels of accuracy, actually. But we have a bottleneck right here. So let's catch this up just the tiniest bit. That. And do one of these. And put glitter. That looks good. That way we should get more out of our perceptrons for barely an increase in price. Yes, and now we're not fully utilizing the perceptron and actually making. Put some zeros here just to make it like the actual gammon process. Yeah. I like this. This one isn't quite up to speed, but it's okay. Doing good. Save this. Let's get back to the actual gammon problem. And realize we're not allowed to use... What did we use that we're not allowed? We weren't allowed to use the decision thing. What's it called? The perceptron. We needed to do this by hand. Okay. Back to the drawing board. Save. Are we allowed to use decision trees? Yes. Decision, expert, and sift. Nothing else. And... oh, not even a trash can. Oh yeah, he said all the data has to be used. That's messed up. Alright. Okay, we got red and green data coming out of here. What were we... can I redo? No, what were we checking? We were checking if it's a circle, we were doing one thing. And if it's a square, we were doing another thing, right? And if it's a triangle, we're doing a third thing. So maybe maybe go ahead in the DLL editor and make a third one, which is just the sift system, sifting down through possibilities. Where a circle, a square, triangle. And it's getting its input. Doing a test run. It does work. It's not pretty though. So I presume at least multi-thread it once would be a good idea. That's not what I need. In that case, we can at least do... what can we expect here? Yeah, roughly once every half second. I guess. Let's save this as big sift. Go back to our gammon and use big sift. This big sift. And what do we get out of here? We get out triangles, which immediately go down here. We don't use them anywhere else. And if it is a circle, how did I do it? If it's a square, we did a decision tree. And the decision tree was, if it is a green square, it should go down. If it's any square, it should go here. We check again for green and red. We technically could even omit even putting. Yeah, we could omit this slowdown. On the other hand, we have this up front anyways. If we just did this, or rather this, and made this red. But I like this more. I actually like this more. And for the circles, we just straight up split them. That's what we did. Check this out. Okay, big sift seems to be working. Get 100% accuracy, but we get rarely any greens down. So instead, I'm actually opting for the solution I just mentioned, where I don't even put any green squares here. I just put green circles there, and green squares all go down. Oh wow, I'm at 40 minutes. Gammon really took up some time. And Big Sift is holding up great. I don't need any more of that. What's actually slowing down is apparently this thing? But why? Why did it suddenly... Because I'm... Fuck. I'm supposed to do something with this data, right? Okay, wait, red? Oh yeah, I just forgot. I have to put this here, that's all. And then it should just work. We're just spilling data. Yes! Nothing's overloading. Nothing's overcrowded. We're getting the data out approximately every 1.5 seconds. That's quite good. Okay, let's stop this. Save this. And let's get one step back. We actually solved the gammon problem in a single big sift. In a single DLL. And I'll use the gammon DLL actually. Because in case of emergency, we can parallelize this even further. Let's save this. Do a test run for the company. Nothing's running hot. Everything's working just fine. There's one node that's a bit yellowish, but that's great. Let's release this. Do launch. Wow. What's in our inbox? Interest. Let's just finish the week. See how the startups do, and then we'll be done. Okay, the loss is minimized. We're getting more customers. We minimize the cost. The same with gammon. A bit expensive at first, but it seems to work out. The next day. Still a bit less loss. Another day, we're going in the greens. Why haven't we fulfilled a single customer here? We're doing exactly what the system asks of us. Okay. Great. Tracking system lost us money because of the first 2 days. That's okay. Gammon lost us money. We ended up with a net negative. The tracking system starts to make money. Gammon isn't. That's worrying. See if there's anything else. Yeah, there's one more training task. We learn one more thing and then we'll wrap it up. Let's go to accuracy. Need harder ML job. Level up maybe. Hi friend, it's me again. Hellraiser. Thanks for those jobs. I can now afford a meal almost daily, but I need a kick-butt video card to proceed with my task. Ergo, need more monies. Ready for a more hardcore job. Little coders grow up so fast. No problemo, my duderino. I'll send some more contracts your way. With bigger data too. Beware, in these tasks you're allowed to make some mistakes, but they're way more tricky to crack. How so? This is real-life data science. Corrupted data, incorrect data, useless data. When it comes to big numbers, it's not about being 100% correct, it's about getting the job done, sonny. That's actually quite a great sentiment. It's often more important to just get something done, kinda, than to not get it done at all. Like this. Okay. Big data equals big mess. That was fun. That was big fun. I hope you had fun as well. If you did enjoy the video, I'd be very happy about a like and a sub to the channel. If you enjoyed some part in particular, leave a comment, tell me what you liked. And with that being said, I hope you had a wonderful day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye.